Rise and shine. Oh, parang nag-snowstorm kagabi oh. Yung kotse oh. May snow sa taas ng kotse. Okay, let's go have breakfast. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna go have breakfast lang. Let's go. Guys, ito na yung aftermath ng beef effect. Feeling ko busog pa ako sa dami ng kinaing A4 Wagyu beef kahapon. I feel bad. You're supposed to eat on the tray daw, so it's like your placemat. So after you eat, be any mess on the table. Guys, ano lang tayo? Salad saka fruits lang muna. Hindi na tayo makakain. Gulay na lang tayo. Hangover soup, miso soup. Eating too much beef. Guys, we tried their Hida yogurt fancy dessert. Masarap siya, matamis-tamis yung yogurt niya. Hindi siya yung plain. Very good. Beef daw ako. Sabi ko, yeah, I ate a lot of beef last night. Moms! So our schedule today, we're gonna be packing up para hindi na tayo mag-check out so we don't need to come back and forth. We just come back here by 2 p.m. Di ba? Tama, no?
Before 2.
Before 2.
Because the bus will leave 15 minutes before 2.
We'll leave 15 minutes before 2. So we're gonna be here by 1:30 p.m. Ohio!
A few minutes later.
Guys, look at this. Di ba yung kaninang video ko kaninang umaga, yung mga kotse may snow, natunaw na sa araw yung mga yung mga snow. Ayun oh.
But it's 0 degrees now.
Proven that the sun energy is very strong. It's 0 degrees outside now sa labas, pero natunaw yung snow because of the sunlight. Wow! Okay, nakapag-pack na kami. Going to the lobby now. Suggested hand cream daw. This one is by L'Occitane and Provence. Yan, ganito itsura niyan. Recommended hand cream para sa mga nagka-crack yung mga kamay. Tapos ito, we're using this one, glossierbalm.com. I think this is very good also. Isang lagayan lang, matagal siya at saka bago siya makawala. Okay, time to check out. Let's go! Ready na kami maglakad sa 0 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, ito na. Uusok-usok pa yung bibig natin. Like a dragon. Guys, first time. Ang sarap ng araw. May snow sa garahe nila. Ang ganda naman yan. Guys, yung snow maganda lang pagka fluffy. Pero once pag tumigas na siya, para na siyang yellow. It's like an ice skating rink. Pwede ka madulas at madapa. Right now, we're just walking, going to morning market. Moms, tapos ka na mag-shopping sa 7-Eleven. It's the same 7-Eleven wherever you go, Moms. Guys, may Nissan Kicks rin dito. It's here. Actual in Japan too. Parehong pareho. Kumusta yung walkathon experience dito sa snow?
Okay lang, 1.2 kilometers.
Sisyo ang 1.2 sa amin.
Basta yung, may ano lang araw.
Problema yung sa likod dyan, oh. Guys, kaya niya pa ng 1.2 kilometers. Reason bakit kami naglakad. So we can walk on snow! Ah! It's the last time we're gonna do this. Let's go! Walking on snow! Oh, walking on snow! Yan, nagbablog habang naglalakad. Buntik pa ako madapa. Loy, look at this. Ooh. Kids, Your dad's enjoying walking at the snow. Real walking experience. It's just literally walking on ice. It's the same as walking in SM Mega Mall ice skating ring, but natunaw na yung snow. Enjoying Takayama, walking outside and enjoying the cold weather. Kasi walang ganito sa Pilipinas. Either summer or summer lang. May isang shop nakalagay, vegans cannot eat here. It means it's an all-meat shop. Guys, ang laki ng aso nila. Daming shop dito, oh. Rice dumpling in a sweet soy sauce. Guys, may tubig pa dito, oh. Ang ganda naman, oh. We see the bridge here. Yung bridge nila malinis. Kita mo yung hanggang bato doon sa baba. Guys, the river is so clean here that there's even ducks in the river. Pag sa atin yan, wala, patay na yan due to pollution. Guys, eto na, we arrived the morning market. So basically, there are a lot of small shops or stalls beside it. We are now at Hida Takamaya Miyagawa Morning Market. 7 AM lang to 12 noon. Let's go! We just passed by a Wagyu beef sashimi. Haba ng pila, they're all lining up for the Wagyu beef sashimi. It must be very nice. Guys, we're near the river now. They're feeding the ducks. Guys, ito na, mag-shopping na tong kasama natin, oh. Hindi nagdala ng tali para bumili ng tali, makapag-shop. Dito may mahabang pila, we don't know why. Let's check it out, ma'am. Guys, meron sila dito. They have the cookie cup espresso. So, I'm the last one daw, the last customer. Whew, buti na lang umabot pa tayo, guys. Guys, malapit na kami, guys. The long wait. Oh, ang pait. How's it? After na to, pwede naman magpa-whip cream. Oh, if you're the real coffee drinker, we only drink espresso. The espresso becomes sweet in the end because the cookie cup is covered with sugar. Guys, nilagyan na ng whipped cream pang pataba. Very good. Tamis ng cookie niya. Very good. Guys, okay ito. Walang tapon. Eating the last portion. Guys, halos lahat ng store nagka-close na. Isa lang naabutan namin. Buti na inaabutan pa. Nag-order kami ng sponge cake. We're gonna try it out now. Mams, bibigyan mo naman ako dyan.
Gusto ko yung green. Green na rin.
Okay lang. Vanilla. Wala namang laman. Yung akin. Yung matcha na sa taas. Yung vanilla na sa baba. Guys, bababa kami dito sa may hagdanan, sa may ilalim ng bridge. First experience.
Video ganda.
Dai, how is it, Dai?
Ganda, Dai.
So we are now under the bridge. Ayan o, kita mo yung part na yan, hindi na arawan o, hindi na tunaw. Yan. Ganun lang, maglalakad ka lang. And then sa may dam, and it smells like just cold air. Just went up the bridge, we're gonna cross the bridge. Yung floor niya, his floor is covered with some kind of asphalt, so it's rough. And then the water will seep through down para hindi ka madulas or madapa. Kasama tayong Instagrammer dito. Kanina pa, mamaya lobat na naman yung phone, di matawagan. Dai will go ahead, Dai.
Hi, Dai.
Guys, may manlilibre ng barbecue. Ano to? Wagyu beef?
Hida beef.
Hida beef? Hida beef. Lambot. Yeah, ang lambot ng beef. Taba-taba pa. Dapat yung beef tikim-tikim lang, hindi yung nilalamon, kundi CR. Guys, sulit tong salamin ko. Transition Photo Gray. It automatically darkens like a shade. Guys, yung uso pala dito is the Hida
beef.
Hida beef, the one we just ate on the stick. All the beef here is called Hida beef, so we just ate Hida beef there. Guys, ito na. Everyone's packing up. The whole market is closed na. Time to go home. Kakain na lang somewhere. Sarap maglakad sa 12 noon. Ang init ng araw. Let's go, moms! Strawberry yogurt, so they recommend us to mix it first. Mix it first. Hina naman mag-mekos-mekos niyan. Mekos-mekos mo ate, mekos-mekos. Mekos tornado. How's it?
It's yogurt with milk. Strawberry mochi.
Strawberry mochi? Guys, ganun na lang, mekos-mekos. Mekos-mekos tornado! Okay, let's try it. Ang hirap niyang inumin. Ang daming laman sa loob. Okay lang. I-take out na namin ito. So magla-lunch na kami. How does it taste?
Very creamy.
Creamy? Whipped cream?
Parang fluffy cake siya.
Sa fluffy cake daw. Nga, pasta tayo dyan. Pasta ko dyan. Mas masarap to. Yogurt, mochi, strawberry.
Parang fluffy nga sponge na grabe nga yung butter.
How's it?
Parang braso na.
Sige na nga, makikikagat na nga ako.
Parang egg siya. Egg ba to?
Ano siya? Para siyang braso de Mercedes. It's egg white. Egg white na pinrito na nilagyan ng asukal sa labas. Then he fried it. Guys, I think we need to walk back na. Kailangan na natin maglakad ng konti kasi baka late na. Go! Ayun guys, ang daming Hida beef binibenta sa tabi-tabi. That's another stall selling bun Hida, and Hida on stick. Tayo ng strawberry na malaki. Mas magandang strawberry doon yung 1,950 na strawberry. Yun daw, number 1 strawberry yun. Meaning it's the sweetest one. We're gonna go to the stationary area on the other side of the river. Let's go, moms! Guys, bumili kami dito ng stationary. Ang mahal, 300 plus. And then dito, nagpaloko din yung si ma'am sa tax-free daw sa Maya Stationery. Let's go! Guys, nakita niyo yun? Hida Beef Steak Rice Box. 2,480! Ang mahal! Guys, puro pila yung lunch dito. Pila pa more. Guys, sa family store Sato na muna kami para mabilis. We're just gonna be taking out. Tapos nyan, larga na. We're gonna go to the second floor. Pag wala, we will be eating sashimi for lunch. Diyan lang oh. May hot water at saka microwave sila. Let's eat. It's one very maalkabok Totoro. Ito na guys, kakain na tayo. Chicken turkey leg, saka rice, scallop rice daw. Guys, habang nag-aantay, kain na muna tayo ng gulay. Kailangan natin to. Oh, it's mustard, mustard leaf with pickled mustard leaf. Some sesame. Pait. Pwede na. Guys, may nagsashimi. Sarap. Ito na guys, kakain na tayo ng chicken saka ng rice. We're trying the scallop. Very good. May balat na siya na clam. Balat na. Kain na ng kain. Very good. Guys, try natin yung malaking chicken. Ito, quarter chicken. Laki oh. Init. It's like a normal quarter leg. Guys, try natin yung best-selling Ohio egg pudding. Basically, how I see it, parang creme brulee lang siya. He put some kind of binurn lang niya yung asukal sa taas. Well, let me show you. I'll open it. Ang ganda naman ng mga plastic niya dito, ma'am. Pang very premium. High ko, no? Or siyang creme brulee. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it.
Let's go na.
Looks like a normal egg. Okay guys, let's go na. Tara na. Guys, may gandam na gawa sa tin can. Okay, we're done with our CR break. We're gonna go back na to the hotel. Let's go. Guys, more snow. This is the last few snows that we will ever see. Guys, may snow. May snow. Mama bomb. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. Teritoryo natin ng aso yun. 200 meters left. Kaya natin yan. Let's go. We are back at Wat Hotel. Safe and sound. Di kami na late. Guys, we're on time. Buti naman. Ang bait ng natin, ng mga hotel service reception. Nagbabay pa sila bago umalis. So nag-wave back din tayo. Bye! Except yung katabi ko kasi nasa cellphone na naman. Cellphone ng cellphone. Di matapos-tapos. Guys, kasama pala sa tour natin yung Takayama Souvenir Shop. Eh di dapat dito na lang tayo kasi tax-free. Guys, may mushroom tea dito. We only got it 1,000. Dito 1,188. Moms, kanina ka pa nagsha-shopping. Wala ka pa rin nabibili, moms. Di pa rin daw tapos. Mamaya aalis na. Tapos na. Pag-shop na yung ate ko, eto na. Pero di umabot sa tax-free. Tax-free is 5,500. yen at least. So, wala. Our bill was 3,000 something lang. Bumili ng cookie para raw sa kape-kape niya. Wow! Parang walang cookie sa Manila, no? Dami-daming cookie. Mas mura pa. Chip Ahoy.
One hour later.
First stop, CR Break. We have around 30 minutes. Guys, sarap ng tulog natin. Dire-diretso lang. We need to wake up and do CR break just to be safe. CR break lang tayo. Then let's go back to the bus. Kasama ko kakain ng ice cream. Share ka naman dyan, te. Share ka naman.
Gusto mo ng sausage?
No, no more beef. Even sausage I don't like. No more beef. Alam tayo ng kape. One coffee. Guys, nag-order na tayo ng kape. So dito lang tayo. Ready na yung kape natin. Bilisang. Very good. Share ka naman ng ice cream dyan. So, vanilla ice cream, I think.
It's milk ice cream.
Guys, it's milk ice cream. Ang sarap naman ito. Guys, ang sarap nito. Sarap ng ice cream niya. Makakasagutom lang ako. Very good. Tapos ng ice cream, kape-kape lang guys. Very good. Guys, nag-alarm na. We need to go. Guys, nauna na ata yung kasama ko. I'm not sure. Bus number 2, here we are. Let's go! Guys, binalikan ko. Muntik nang maiwan to guys. Itong batang to, muntik na maligaw. Patakbo-takbo pa ako. Napagod tuloy ako. Ang limig-limig dito.
So, bumaba pa yung beef.
Ay! Guys, on time na naman tayo. Hindi naman na-late tong kasanaman natin. Ang iksi kasi ng paa natin. Ito, pag maglakad ka, bagal-bagal. Ay! Basta tayo, may kape, masaya. Freshly made brewed coffee. May bata na tumingin sa kabila. Tumingin ulit siya. Hindi na tumingin yung bata. Yung dalawang late to, ayan o, late na naman guys. Dalawang beses ng late yan. Dalawang beses na bumili ng hotdog para picturean, hindi kainin. Naku po. Guys, pwede na ulit kami matulog. We're going na. I think there will be another break doon sa may Alps na pinicture natin kahapon. We have another CR break. Lahat ng CR nila dito, all their trash cans are, you need to be segregated. So we'll just take a CR break and then buy something again. Let's do a quick shopping before we leave. Let's go, let's go. Okay, so we ordered the Wagyu steak and the curry bun here. We need water. Ubus na yung tubig namin. Guys, we got water. It's exactly 100 yen. Let's go. Guys, ito na yung ano natin, yung beef stick natin. Let's go. Bought some stuff to eat. A little bit of stuff. Let's go, moms. Guys, maganda yung mga stopovers dito. So it's really nice. There's even a waving like this and saying, "Come back and see you again." I think. Guys, dito sa Japan, pagka winter, baliktad. Usually sa atin sa Manila,
当初ではですね、もう着いてから十分にお時間がございますので、忘れ物で。
We went down somewhere but we don't know where we are. We are somewhere in Osaka. So we will just go back to our hotel. We drop off our maletas and then we will go eat dinner somewhere. It's an 8-minute walk lang. I think for dinner we will try the Ikinari steak. Yon! Let's eat! Steak na naman! Ayun yung Appa Hotel, guys. Ayan na, ayan na. We can see it over there. Ayun, ayun. Appa Hotel! Guys, dito sa Appa Hotel, pwede ko humiram ng ng pressing machine. Ayan, oh. Pang plansa na pine-press lang yung buo, ginagano. Books. Pero parang hindi rin siya ganun ka, ganun ka init or lakas daw. I'm not sure. Never tried. Let's go. Naka-heater na yung room. Ang sarap, ang init. Woo! Let's go. Moms, pack up. Let's iwan ng mga stuff. Kain na tayo sa Ikinari steak. Taka mag-break time. Let's go, moms. Let's go. Guys, our next stop, Ikinari steak. Let's go. Moms, alam ko na yung yung naririnig ko sa gabi. Yan pala yung tunog ng tren sa gabi. Kasi the Appa Hotel is beside the railway. So every time the train passes by, which we just videoed, yun pala yung maingay. So ano siya, nasa taas. So if it's under, you won't hear it. But if it's over, you will hear it. But the train here beside us is over. So yeah, we can hear it. Every 2 to 3 minutes, there's a train passing by. Guys, beside us is Osaka Station City. Nagkamali kami ng lakad, lumakad kami pabalik, so we can see the Osaka Station City here. I don't know what that is, but it says station. Yung kasama ko, sinadya atang maglakad pabaliktad para makakita ng construction. Ayun, may mga dito. Kubota construction materials, so you know. But gabi na, so yeah. Tigil na sila ng trabaho, gabi na, tapos umuulan pa. Resume work tomorrow. Guys, we just found out there's a nearby there, Hotel Hanshin. So maybe next time we can stay here and then go to Shirakawa Go. Go there for 2 nights, 3 days, 2 nights para we can tour around the whole area. Because it's really cold there, around 0 to -°C, -3, something like that. Guys, it's so cold right now. I think it's 2 degrees. Every time we're walking, our talking, lumalabas yung smoke na. I think you would need to wear face mask na. Parang yung kasama ko, weak. Naka-face mask? Ano yun? Guys, nakapita mask pa yan. Nakapita mask yan, ha? Partida ako, wala pa akong scarf. Ito, kasama ko, balot na balot. Guys, kaya make sure to always drink your vitamins. Yan, hindi katulad dito sa tabi, feeling malakas, hindi nagba-vitamins. Yun, weak! Guys, andyan na yung Inari steak. Unlimited daw yung gulay dito. Guys, we're not sure if it's this one, but nasa 3rd floor daw. We just went up on a random staircase. It's there, guys! Andun na yung Ikinari steak natin! Yung pareho doon sa Manila. But dito is the real thing, guys. Ito na yan. Guys, ito na yung menu niya. This is the menu, but we don't understand anything. Buti na lang may net tayo. We can translate everything at the palm of our hand. Guys, may English pala. Binigyan na tayo ng English. Thank you, Bo. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. English menu. We already ordered. We ordered the ribeye steak set. I got medium. She got well done. 250 grams, and then we got the rice and vegetable set, unlimited refills. And she got the Calpis water. I don't know what Calpis water is, but we'll know later. Guys, ito yung Calpis water. I also don't know what this is. It smells sweet. It's water with yogurt. Oh, it tastes a little bit sweet na parang hindi ko maintindihan. It smells sweet. Not bad. Sarap siya. Lalo na pag gutom lahat, masarap. Dumating na yung salad. Actually, I think halos pareho lang siya sa Manila. Ito yung yung salad. Guys, yung dressing niya dito iba, hindi katulad sa Manila. So we have the very delicious pepper dressing and they have the very delicious onion dressing. So iba dito sa Japan pala. It's not the same. Ay, pa Manila parang ano siya puti saka roasted sesame yung sauce niya. Here is different. Let's try both, guys. Mekos tornado muna tayo. Mekos tornado. So we'll put it here. Tapos sa kabilang side, lalagyan natin nung very delicious onion dressing. So baka pagkatapos ito, medyo masama yung hininga natin. Pero napansin ko na mas bawas yung pepper steak dressing. Feeling ko mas masarap yun. But let's just put a little bit of this. May nag-clog. May apron din silang binigay sa atin. Dalawa. Kasi bubuhol na natin para mabilis. Total, pupunitin naman natin to eh. Guys, try na natin the onion one. Onion dressing.
Ano yung maasim? Pepper or onion?
Onion maasim, pero feeling ko mas masarap salt and pepper kasi mas bawas eh. Let's try the salt and pepper now. Dalawa maasim, ma'am. Walang matamis sa dressing niya. Mas type mo, ma'am, yung salt and pepper. The onion is okay lang. Baka magka-bad breath pa tayo, guys, sa black and pepper na tayo. How's it, ma'ams? Manghang-anghang yung black and pepper niya.
Gusto yung salt and pepper, pero sana bawas-bawas yung taas.
Maasim eh.
Salad sauce nila.
Well done. Guys, dumating na yung ribeye steak namin. Tapos kaming salad ko. So na guys, kakain na tayo. Unlimited naman yung rice, so rice galore. Yung baba ng steak, niluto na nila yung steak. Tapos sa ilalim ng steak, nilagyan nila ng onion para hindi masunog or hindi tumuloy-tuloy yung luto ng ng steak mo. Ayan. Rice natin dumating na small. Guys, ito na yung steak sauce natin. Spicy sauce. Sweet sauce. Itadakimasu! Try muna natin yung steak natin without any sauce to check the quality of the steak. Kunyari marunong, kunyari lang. Conclusion, lahat ng steak pare-pares lang lasa. It's just that kung gaano lang kalansa yung lasa ng beef. That's it. I think everything is similar. Yeah. Yung texture na lang yung hinahabol mo. So we'll just get the spicy sauce. Ooh, dami. Na-overflow. Guys, napa-reorder ako ng rice small. Ang sarap talaga ng kanin dito. Ang parang ano siya, cotton. Guys, sarap talaga pag only rice. Guys, tapos na yung Ikinari steak experience natin. Parehas lang siya sa Manila. Kumain na lang kayo sa Manila. Parehas lang. The salad they provide you and the rice. The only difference here is only rice daw. Okay, let's go, moms. Yung iba lang dito, malamig sa labas. We're just walking around. Let's check kung may big camera pa. Big camera. We're just strolling around. We're enjoying the last few free aircon experience po sa labas. Pagdating po sa Manila, free heater naman. So, what do you like? Free heater or free aircon. I think doon ako sa aircon.
Siyempre, doon ako sa heater. Kasi pwede naman ako maligo.
Oh, sa heater daw siya. So, yan. Pwede raw siya maligo. Pero before ka maligo, ma'am, amoy jabar ka na. Bago ka makaligo. Ako pala yun, mapawisin. So, yeah. So, I still prefer the aircon. So, wala. Di ka mangangamoy dito, guys. Di ka maaamoy. Kasi, ano na, nag-numb na yung nose mo sa sobrang lamig. Wala na. Tapos tulo ng tulo yung sipon mo. We'll just go to Don Quixote. There's a near Don Quixote here around 1.3 kilometers, so we'll just take the train faster. Huling-hura na shopping to sa Don Quixote. After that, we will go back na. I forgot what stuff are there as well, so we'll just go there, whatever. And then we'll come back mga after kami umikot-ikot. The way na to Don Quixote, guys. Let's go, ma'am. Diretso muna tayo na ABC Mart. Mura daw ang ano dito. Mura daw ang New Balance dito. Hindi siya overpriced. Kasi hindi sikat ang New Balance dito. Sa atin lang doon kasi hino-hoard siya. So, let's get one here. Guys, lapit na tayo, guys. We're nearing ABC Mart. May mga building dito, guys. Malalaki.
A few minutes later.
Guys, nakawala ako ng gloves. So sad. I lost my gloves. So my right hand is the only one protected by the cold wind. My left hand ain't. May octopus dyan, guys, oh. We don't know what that is. Maybe it specializes in eating octopus. Don Quixote is there now. It's usually color black and yellow. Also, a pro tip pala. Napansin namin, dapat dadaan ka sa mga eskinita. Sa eskinita, mas hindi malamig kasi wala nga tayong gloves ngayon. So, kaya pala mga tao, dumadaan sa loob ng eskinita. It's not that much windy sa eskinita. Guys, when we get home, we will take the same LRT, MRT going back. And then we'll check if my gloves is still there. I think I left it in the counter, the paying counter, sa ticket machine. Guys, we arrived at Don Quixote. 7 floors of pure shopping. Guys, kanina walang dalang basket yan. Ngayon may basket na, oh. Ayun, oh. Shopping na naman. Patay tayo dito, guys. Guys, ako yung gustong pumunta dito para mag-shopping. Pero may nadampot ng 3 gamit yung katabi ko. Ay. Guys, parang mas natuwa pa yung kasama ko dito kaysa sa akin. Ako yung gustong mag-shop. Tapos, wala pa nga ako napili. Dami nang nadampot na to. We're getting to this, Loy. Finally, we're going up the 2nd floor. Mams, may bayad to, ha. Kargador mo, ha. Loko. Buti na lang may pangsabitan. Tapos nylon belt tayo, so my belt won't break. Sad to say, we need to go home because the toilet is closed. So we need to take a break. So iwan na lahat ng shopping. We will prioritize going to the CR. Guys, magsasashimi tayo para maka-CR yung kasama namin. Okay, let's try it out. Rafati tuna, let's try it. Astig to, so pag nag-order ka, dito pala siya lalabas. So bro, nag-conveyor belt lang. Ito na, oh, guys, we ordered extra patty tuna. Guys, ito na. Hindi natin na-videohan, sayang yung conveyor belt. Nag-order siya niyan, lalabas yun dito sa espresso. Boogs! Pag gusto mo kuha conveyor belt, dito ka lang sa gilid, kuha ka lang. Bubuksan mo, kukunin mo, then malalaman niya. Shoot mo dyan, oh. Then it's gonna know your order. Then you go to 31 and pay. Galing. Everything is automated. Guys, yung soy sauce niya, tignan mo. Kailangan mo pindutin to para bumaba. Ayun o. Oh! Pero sweet soy sauce tong nakuha mo, ma'am. It's not this one. You got the sweet one. Ito yun. Ito yun. Ibang klase guys, high-tech. Guys, try natin yung in-order natin na fatty tuna. Tuna na fatty daw. Oh! Okay, ma'am. Very good. Try natin yung squid. Try natin yung squid. I think nilalagay ata sa kanin yung wasabi para sumama. Very good. Ito yung fresh wasabi. Yan, ganyan dapat itsura niya. Yan yung fresh wasabi. Tapos yung isa yung color green, parang hindi na fresh yun. Galing nun, no? Automatic siya dito sa counter mo if you order. There's no more person delivering it. Yung kaninang conveyor na kinain natin earlier, there was someone serving it. Dito, everything's automated. Yeah, here the ordering is even faster. Guys, we're trying the last one. Try it. Iba lang yung texture ng ng isda. We're done eating. Balik na ng Don Quixote. Guys, yung paying counter niya fully automated din. Wala na ring tao. Guys, we will go back home na lang. So, wala. Yung sinapping namin, iniwan na namin sa 3rd floor ng Don Quixote. We're gonna check if my gloves is still there. Parang naiwan ko doon sa may ticket purchase counter. But the problem is which gate we don't know. Yung gloves ko nandun pa. Guys, yung gloves ko namasyal. Guys, walang magnanakaw dito. Proven. Naiwan ko to kanina for like yung mga 2 hours plus na nandyan pa rin, guys. Walang magnanakaw dito. Hey guys, we're gonna be going home happy. We've recovered the gloves. Let's go, moms! Pwede na tayo, moms, magkape, moms. Gusto mo magkape?
Ayoko na magkape.
Tulog na tayo. Okay.
Na natin nakain. May
I think we're gonna call it a day na. Hindi lang tayo nakapag-shopping, but we lost a glove. We found the gloves. Hindi na tayo bibili. Heat-tech pa naman yun, guys. Sayang. After this, we're just gonna go back, walk to Apa Hotel, and that's it. Good night. Bukas na ulit. Yan yung Hotel Hanshin, no? Very tall. I think next time we can just stay in Hotel Hanshin. It's probably bigger and better. Guys, nandiyan yung Apa Hotel just in front of 7-Eleven. We'll just wait for the traffic line to go green, then we're gonna cross. Guys, nagdalawang isip si ate. Kakain na naman. Kasi may coins daw kami kailangan ubusin. Okay, let's go! snack. Time to rest. Ano yun? Okay, that's it. This is the end of our Japan trip. Tomorrow, magigising lang kami. We're gonna go out, probably eat some short snack, and then go to the airport and go home. Okay, that's it. Goodbye, Japan. We will miss the free aircon.